Hey, I'm Steve Hakes. Are you aware that there's never, ever been a better time to be in the mortgage business than today? I'm probably a lot like you. I've been in the mortgage industry for many years. I've owned my own mortgage shop for over 10 years, and I've served on the mortgage broker boards. I'm very committed to our industry. So, what I want to share with you today is some of the feedback I'm getting from some of the mortgage brokers that I talk to that are out there. Many of them are just very, very concerned about the wholesalers that they're selling their loans to will become more and more restrictive with this loan officer compensation rule that's being put on us by the Federal Reserve. You know, the loan officers aren't oblivious to this either. I mean, they're very afraid right now. They're very uncertain. The ones I'm talking to, every time I speak to them, they bring up what's going to happen with my compensation. And you would too, and you probably are a bit concerned yourself. I mean, let's face it, these guys have families, these gals have families, they need to have some stability in their life. It's a very, very stressful time for them right now. And so my question to you right now is, what would happen if all of your loan officers just decided to get out of the business because they just can't get that comfortable feeling anymore? And, they're looking for some stability. They're looking for, how am I going to feed my family next year? And they really would like to have some hope that things were going to be good in 2011. So, even worse, what would happen if they got swooped up by an FDIC national bank because they feel like they're getting a safer harbor there with the licensing and things like that? They should be afraid that everything they read has been very negative. They've been under attack over the last year. We all have been under attack over the last year, and their feelings are valid. So what I want to ask you is, what if you could sit down with each one of your LOs in the next 2 weeks and discuss their careers and tell them that, hey, it's going to be okay. I've found a better way to do this. It's going to be fine. In fact, I'm very excited because things are going to be great in 2011 for us all, including you. I think that's very important that you sit down and talk to them about their career. They got to know that you care about them individually and that you have a plan. And so what I'd like to do is take a few minutes and discuss this with you over the phone. We've developed the mortgage industry's best platform to turn your LO's hopes into reality. And we're very, very excited about 2011. And I hope, and we want you to be excited as well. So call me at 817-925-2546. That's 817-925-2546. That's Steve Hakes. Talk to you soon.